Hi students, in this exercise we will apply design check set on alignment in Civil 3D. In the previous exercise we already create a one design check set in Civil 3D. We have already design check set according to Civil 3D like AutoCAD, but if we have county something like this and we have some criteria related to tangent and curve radius or anything else, then how can we create design check set according to our criteria? If you want to learn this, you can watch previous exercise, and now in this exercise we will apply mastering subdivision check set which we already created in the previous exercise. How can we apply? And we will see that this design check set is if we have our alignment pass through this design check set or not. First of all, we need to know what's the difference between design checks and design criteria. A design check uses basic properties such as radius, length, grade and so on to check a particular portion of an alignment or profile. These constraints are generally dictated by a governing agency based on the type of road involved. Design criteria use speed and related values from design manuals such as AutoCAD to establish these geometric constraints. Think of design criteria as a suite of check sets with different sets for each city, type of street, design speeds and so on. So in this exercise we will see the result of our mastering subdivision check set in action. If you did not complete the previous exercise, just complete and stay open with same drawing. Otherwise you can open 606 alignment check finish drawing, which I will put in the description link. If you did not get, please write down in the comment box and I will drop you with this drawing. Once you will open this drawing, change, if you are on setting tab, then change to the prospector tab in tool space and expand the alignment and then centerline alignment branches. Right click on the road D and select properties. Now change to the design criteria tab. If you are not on this, then set the start station design speed to 48 km per hour and verify that all of the check boxes are selected and that use design check set is set to mastering subdivision which we was created in the previous exercise. So note that use criteria based design must be selected to activate the other two, this one and here this one. Now click OK to accept the setting in the dialog box. You could have alternative set the design criteria when you were originally creating the alignment. Now notice that all the curves along the alignment fail to meet the design criteria. If you hover your cursor here on the exclamation point symbol, it will indicate that which design criteria and design check set has been violated. So make sure you have show rule over tooltip enabled. Here you can see we have minimum radius violated. So we have two violations here for the minimum radius and for the design check which is according to subdivision radius. Minimum current radius we have 45.72 and minimum radius requirement is 86. So this is how design check set work and how you can apply them to your alignments, to your profiles, to pass through the design. So now that we have created an alignment that did not pass the design check set, let's look at different ways of modifying alignment geometry in the next exercise as we correct and fix alignment that violate the assigned design checks. The warning symbol indicating those violations will disappear. So stay tuned with us for the next exercise where we will fix these changes to the alignments.